is our first day here. Actually, secretly our second day because we took yesterday as like a chill day, getting settled, cleaning everything up. But today we're gonna go to this amazing food market that only has vegan stuff. There's gonna be good food, delicious stuff, and we're just gonna go walk around in the city and explore. Yay! That's my fiance.
Hey!
We're gonna go have fun. We're gonna eat food. It's gonna be good. Market right now. There's a few dogs where we're getting vegan banh mi, lemongrass soy chunks, and they kind of look like chicken. The pate is made with mushrooms, and it just looks really good, so we're gonna try it. I'm so excited. It's really flavorful. It has sriracha mayo on top. It's nice and spicy, so I'm gonna enjoy this. Lazar got a kimchi burger with fig cheese. Oh yeah, look at that. Cheese with a Z. How excited are you to eat this?
I'm super hungry.
Okay, let's eat. So we went to the market, but it turned out to be really rainy, so we decided not to stay too long. Now we're making our way home to this cute park, which is, I think, called London Fields. They're the fields of London. Beautiful, soggy fields. We're gonna go home. Maybe do some shopping? Back home. We had a long day of eating and shopping, so it's all in this bag. We went to Sainsbury's to get vegan cheese. This Sainsbury's had a clothes section. I was like, this is all so cute. I tried on a bunch of sweaters. This pink one, I mean, I liked it on the hanger, but then I put it on and I just looked like a circus person. I didn't really like how it looked on me. And then there was this yellow sweater. It was a beautiful color. The sweater was super see-through. I had to like cover up my boobs in the shot. That was a no for the super see-through mustard sweater. And then I tried this sort of pinkish reddish blouse, which is kind of out of my comfort zone. It was a little bit cowboy-y, kind of debating if I liked it or not. And then I showed my fiance the footage and he said, I love how that looks on you. And so I ended up still buying it. There's this last piece that I tried on, but I didn't film because it's a skirt. I wasn't wearing tights, and my leg in winter will literally blind you from their whiteness. It's this pink skirt. Pink kind of corduroy with a zipper in the middle. So I got a pink skirt and a pink blouse, so I can be really pink. Okay guys, I hope you had fun watching this vlog. It's really fun trying this out again and filming and editing and just having fun with it and not thinking about it too much, and that's kind of cool. So we'll see where it goes from here. Bye!
It's really good.